What's up, guys? We are back with another video. And today, drink of the day is water and a peppermint hot chocolate.
From Tim's.
Yeah. But today we are doing do's and don'ts of
pretzel dipping
and things that you're gonna want. And you guys on my Instagram have been asking me for a month's update. So Jaylen, go lay down. Go ball. Come here.
Oh, I hit his head. I'm sorry.
He's a baby. Do you baby?
He's chunky. We call him our little pig.
Oh, I poked his eye. I didn't mean it.
Tried to bite me. He's like.
So now we're gonna be showing you some things that you're gonna want for pretzel dipping. So, for the thing that you're gonna want for melting, I would definitely not recommend. Gosh, my hair's everywhere. Glass jars, because we melted some in glass jars and they just cracked, like the things broke, and me and my mom and they actually burned. Chocolate does burn. So what I do recommend is these plastic measuring cups in this, right, Jade?
Yep.
These are way better. And one thing that were a lifesaver for us that we didn't we didn't waste a bunch of chocolate here. So you're definitely gonna want silicone molds, because all of this would have just gotten thrown away if we didn't use a silicone mold.
Silicone mold.
Silicone.
Silicone.
The one that we use, if you guys go to Michael's, then there's a whole entire
section.
Yeah, of silicone molds.
Silicone.
Whatever. But yeah, this is the one that we have. It's just hearts, and once again, Ziploc bags. They literally saved us with on the broken ones.
Because we had these that we were using, but then we got a bunch of things of pretzels, and it would have so many half broken, just there's not a whole lot of actually sized ones.
1 second, I need to show y'all something. So grab the one that's unopened. So we were suspecting this because we didn't have to order these offline on Amazon, but these have more
broken.
Not broken, no. More of the ones that are actually put together than the ones that we bought in stores. There's gonna be a lot of broken ones, and it's just easier to dip, stuff like that. Because we need to get the chocolate. Okay, so now for continuing with the melting of the chocolate, all vegetable shortening or Crisco.
It's not Crisco.
I didn't say Crisco. But that is something that you really want to liquid down your chocolate so it doesn't burn. Yeah. So what you're gonna want it for pretzel rods, dipping and stuff, you're gonna want silicone molds. Crisco or shortening.
I'm just gonna order to paint this. I know. It's taking forever.
Ziploc bags, pretzel rods, obviously. Okay, so let me just show y'all the difference between these. So that's that, and then
There's so much.
let me just grab the red, because that's by the different brands. Okay, so we have these chocolates here. I'll just grab the pink one because it's by the Candy Melt brand. It's by the Woodson brand. Okay, so here is some of the ones that we have. Okay, so. So these two are by the same brand, and this is vanilla flavored, just regular milk chocolate, and this is also vanilla flavored. But these taste the exact same, and they're so good, aren't they, Jade?
Yes, they're amazing.
But
Wait,
this,
can I have one of the red ones?
Yeah. Here we're gonna show y'all why.
We're gonna give you a taste test because you can definitely taste them.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. So wait, first we're gonna.
Are these the old ones?
No, these are the same ones.
I thought these were the old ones.
First. Size difference. This is
that's the
Wilton brand.
Yeah, that's one we used to get, right?
We still get this one for the chocolates. These ones. Did you eat it yet? This,
No.
Okay. But For one, these melt way easier, and we've had way less differences of these burning. I don't think if these burned once. But with the Wilton brand, here, Jade, grab those black ones. Okay, don't get me wrong.
It's a caramel. Oh, never mind. It's just candy.
Okay, so these are the Wilton candy melts. They're in the black. They're vanilla. Okay. So these have artificial flavored vanilla like these ones do, but these ones taste awful.
Do they? Are they not good? I thought we liked the Wilton brand.
No.
Aaliyah, why? Why must you do this to me? Make me look
Grab
like I
this
cannot
one.
catch anything in my mouth.
These are supposed to be the same flavor, so Jade already tried this one. Which one tastes better? Don't put it back! Did you just put
No,
it back?
I took 2.
Oh, I was gonna say. But yeah, so that's the difference between the two of these.
Like, it doesn't taste terrible.
But the only thing that we get the Wilton bag, we already bought those like previously before we tried out this brand. I don't even remember what this one's called.
I don't know.
But you can get it at Walmart. They're actually like the exact same price for one of those small bags with like a entire 1 pound bag. Of this one, it's a 1 pound bag. So anything else by the other than the Wilton Candy Melt brand is awesome. But the Wilton Candy brand is awesome. Like, we love the milk chocolate. These ones taste perfect. So I do recommend that for these and the dark chocolate. And the flavored ones, those are good with these too. Hey guys. So you're also going to want sprinkles, because that is awesome. Also, you're going to want a microwave. Right, Jade?
Yes.
Or microwave. Just put it back on. So we're going to be melting this. And so this is how many spoons you're going to want. You're going to want a spoon for each of your colors. So right now, we'd only be needing 1 spoon, but you're going to want a Crisco's own spoon. I'm just going to be calling it Crisco. You guys know what it means. It's just the shortening. But you're going to want a spoon for each of them. So 2 spoons is for 1 color. Okay, small spoon. Okay, so now for about this much, just a little bit, you're going to, and this one already has Crisco in it, so I'm still going to add it because we don't want to burn it. For about that much, you're going to want this much Crisco. This is a lot for this amount. But I only...
That's not a lot. That's not even oh, it's a big spoon.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you're only gonna want a little bit. So like that much for this. So, this is how much you're gonna want for this bit. And this already has Crisco in it, so you would use this much regularly. This is just to show you. Jade, can you rinse that, please?
Yep. Want me to be your here?
Okay, guys, so our microwave, it's messy, sorry.
Just got fingerprints on it, really.
Yeah. So you're gonna put your
See the chocolate?
yeah. So you're gonna put your chocolate in here, and you're gonna hit the soften melt button 2 times. Can you show your pants? So now once that timer is ended, you're going to want to mix this. And there's going to be still some chunks in it, but that's totally fine. And now you're going to want to put this back in, but only hit the soften melt button. Now, this time only once. And now you're going to hit start, and you're going to wait for it to hit 40 seconds.
Mons, stop being so mean.
So once it hits 40 seconds, you're going to pause it. You're going to stop it, and you're going to start again. And if it's still chunky, leave it in for the rest of the time. And if it's not, then just take it out and dip. There's not actually enough chocolate in it to dip pretzels. Boys! Okay, so now since it's super liquidy, we're just going to put this in the heart mold because there's not enough to dip.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's that.
Pretzel.
Okay, so now we're just going to pour this into one of the heart molds. So yeah.
That's how we do that.
Yeah.
Now Aaliyah's gonna wash that out, and we are gonna get into some actual pretzel dipping.
Yeah, Because we're not just going to use the black because the black's not that good.
So we're just going to put it into a mold in case anybody does want it.
Mom usually does it, so yeah. Now once it's filled, you're just going to put it in your fridge, obviously. So, yeah. Yes, so now we're going to be showing you what you want to do for, okay. I'm going to show you guys what you want to do for when you do dip your pretzels. You're going to want parchment paper and wipe down your surface before you do it. Wait.
No, not that kind. Use the Lysol. This one stinks.
This way.
I hate this spray.
It's Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, but it cleans it very well. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Once you have your parchment paper, you're gonna want to find the end. Sorry. Now you're gonna want to put it all along.
That's a terrible noise.
It really is.
There you go.
We're only gonna be finishing this one bucket that we have off, and we cannot throw it away. Mom wants to keep it.
Okay. See, it stays.
Yep. So now that you have your parchment paper, you actually don't even need to do anything, but sometimes, where is our spray? I like just doing a little bit of the spray, just one end, and then spreading it around with, basters, is it what it's called?
I think so.
Actually.
What are you looking for?
This cooking spray.
Yeah, you just have to use oil. The cooking one.
There it is.
But we know that we're not.
Are allergic to it, so.
So do we just spread it around?
Mm-hmm.
Baby.
These.
Why didn't you just spray it?
Because it can have too much on it.
Yeah, I've ever seen you do this.
Because I don't usually do it for my customers.
So why are we doing it now?
Because this is what I do for us. The excess. Look how much excess that is, though. Wouldn't have to do this if we did it my way. Okay, so now, once it's all good, we're gonna get the pretzel out. And, so we're gonna get these pretzels out. We're gonna finish off this box of Utz, old-fashioned pretzel rods. There's only a little bit left in here. So Jade's gonna do these. Richard? Am I?
They're this big.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna be melting the hearts.
Let's do pink and white.
Pink and white.
Yeah.
We're only gonna use one. One of these. So we're only gonna do one color because you're gonna do them. So it's gonna be.
We're gonna melt them.
Yeah. So we actually did melt the rest of the bag of pink that we had.
By we, she means her. She.
Yeah, but we have the silicone molds.
Yeah. So wait, why did you add more pink?
Because it was white.
So you added one pink and one white, and it turned white.
2 white.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So now we are going to dip them, and this will be a time lapse.
Yes. So as you can see, I am dipping with a spoon, fully saturating those things. I also realized that you can't see the parchment paper. The way we had the camera angled, you definitely could, but I think it's the way that we had to cut this that you can't. But every time I'm laying 3 or 4 of them down, Aaliyah's putting sprinkles on them. That way when they dry, they don't dry without the sprinkles because the sprinkles won't stick. We made Valentine's Day ones because, they're pink with red and white sprinkles. And that's what I'm doing. You can see Aaliyah, just chilling, putting all the sprinkles on. I wish you could have seen them.
Okay, guys, so
yeah, that would have been nice.
That is all of the pretzel rods that we dipped. We finished it, and I accidentally poured the rest of it in only 2 of the molds, so it overfilled a bunch when I should have been 3, so yeah. Jade's over there eating the rest of the chocolate that we couldn't get out, so yeah, I think that's the end of the video. We'll probably show you what these look like all packaged up. They're only going to go into one bag, the Ziploc bag, one Ziploc bag. Oops, I missed these 2. I wasn't sprinkler, Jade dipped.
Okay, there you're doing these dishes.
Yes, so yeah, peace.
Peace.